How to change size and width of S panels handle on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on edge panel. After click on edge panels, click on handle. If you want to change handle size and width, so if you want to change size, so you will increase or decrease handle size from here. After adjust size, usually width is here. If you want to change handle width, so you will change handle width from here. After change, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change size and width or edge panels handle on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.